Oh, damn. Strong. I didn't know that. That little pussy loves so we got the big dog.
Have I met your dog before? What's your? What's his name again?
Mookie.
Oh, okay, Mookie. Oh, yeah, okay, okay.
He just stands there and barks.
Wow.
He just stands there.
My neighbor has dogs like that too, and he
Yeah. Yeah, he's a lot bigger since last time I saw him. Although, I guess, what was that, like 2 months ago? 3 months ago?
Maybe.
Yeah. He's way bigger. How old is he now?
9 months.
9 months. Yeah, maybe when I saw him, maybe he's only like 6 months.
Maybe. I don't remember the last time. Yeah. He's here every week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Do you guys bring him on the weekdays or mostly weekends?
Mostly weekends.
Oh, okay.
But during the week, if anything, I try to bring him Thursdays.
Oh, okay. Because I remember last time I talked with you, I think, was that your brother you're with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, great memory.
Yeah, and he told the story about how your mom wanted a dog.
Yeah.
And what did she say? Like a big dog? But then when he started growing, she said like, she's kind of changing her mind. Yeah.
She was like, only German Shepherds. But now she sees how big.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, I don't know if I made the right choice, but he's
Yeah. So he came from a breeder for the LAPD, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. One of those, my uncle knows a guy who knows a guy.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he looks really good.
Good boy. Sit. Sit down. Sit down and wait. Sit down and wait. Sit down.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here, tug of war.
Does he do tug of war?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
When the other dog gets him, they get like, feels it. They're waiting to see who's going to be the first one. Put some muscle into it.
Yeah. Is he like 80 pounds? How much is he?
He's 90.
90. Wow.
Go. Uh-oh, your dog went in for a better bite.
Yep.
It's going down now.
Uh-oh. Thought he's going to drop it. I don't know. It looks like your dog has a really good grip.
Yeah. He feels pretty confident.
Are you just uploading it for yourself, or you do any kind of social media?
He has his Instagram.
Instagram? You want to give it away?
Yeah, it's his Instagram is there's so many red benzos that
Oh, now their snouts are too close together.
Yeah. Yeah, his Instagram is Benny Red Dobie. All one word. Benny
Okay.
Red Dobie.
Okay.
Yeah, give us a follow. Reset. Here. Oh. Hey. Hey.
Both of you have to tell him drop it.
Hey.
Hey! No! No!
Now I don't want to get you guys.
At least though, you notice that immediately they stopped.
Yeah.
As soon as the correction came in, which is good.
Yeah, that's all I said. It's time for reset. My
Yeah.
dad's pretty good at resetting.
I
can use that.
Remember how Halloween games are?
What do you dress up? Come on. Here. Go.
Your little pit bull is tough, huh?
Yeah. Come on. Hey, let's go.
I don't know. I don't think your dog's gonna like that.
No.
Are you guys out already or what?
Yeah. I gotta get going.
Oh, okay. What time did you guys get here?
I got here early today, like 5.
Oh, okay. Got dinner waiting for you at home, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's time.
All right, drop it. Hey, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Hey, ready? Give it.
Hey, go. Come on, man. Yeah.
Bodhi. Bodhi.
This is yours, right?
Yeah.
You can't say that they were at yeah.
I know. But I don't know.
And then don't
Well,
forget
I look at logic. Some of them want security crazy, but you can charge them like I met you 30 years ago, and you just called insane. All right, and now they're having
I almost wish you would not go ahead and say, oh, I don't like this person.
You see, hey, no, this will hit you right at home there, Jed. because that's what they used to do to minorities back in the day. Railroad them in the legal system.
Oh.
Simba, stop.
Simba. Stop.
Yeah, that's because it's his water. That's why.
No,
He's like, this is mine. You don't get any of it.
He just loves being in water. The car's gonna get big.
You need to get on my baby pool, huh?
Yeah. I'd probably just hang out with him in the front. There's a bit of grass in the front. Just let him stay there.
We had my stepson and I. We had a water balloon fight, and we filled the pool with balloons and stuff. And so we were throwing them at each other, and he was like running away, like away from us. And he was like, I'm not getting in the water. Yeah. And it's funny because I'll see videos with other boxers that are swimming in the river and stuff.
Yeah.
So no.
Wait.
Yeah, that's it. I do except that he just kind of keeps calm and then I put the water in.
His dog's much smaller than him.
Last time there was a husky that was straight bullying someone. Yeah, like they were that bit his ear and started bleeding.
Oh, careful, careful. He has his teeth up in the collar.
Simba.
Okay, he released.
Yeah, I kind of like bit him right here, so I have like a little scar like in
So we're like, I was with my mom, we're in the living room watching TV, and you could see him like from the outside, and he just goes to his bed, and he lays down, and he just lays backwards, like this on his back, and he has his hands like that, and he'll get his bow, like grab it with his hand, and he just plays at it.
Oh my god, how funny.
And then like, he opens the doors on, he goes, and he just goes like that, like,
Mine, like, he'll be like super calm, and then all of a sudden he'll start to get like all people around the house.
Oh, yeah.
And so he jumps off his head and he'll start all over, you know?
Yeah.
Like, we have like a little gate, and he'll just come inside the house, and then the couch, and get all over again.
So Bodie was stalking those birds, and then a firework went off. So I guess it kind of spooked Bodie. But anyhow, the birds were on the other side of the fence anyhow. But I guess maybe he's practicing. Bodie! Bodie, come on! Bodie, come! Come on! Come on, let's go. Up. No, up. Come on. Good boy. Hey. No. No, he's still scanning for birds. No. Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay, so that's going to wrap up today's Bodie's World. If you can, please give the thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, please subscribe. Also, a very special thank you to everyone who watches the ads that help support Bodie, and we appreciate it so much. And before we go, I want to say thank you to a few people who watched previous videos and left comments. Donna Felsti, Thomas T, Diane Zipperer, DG, Denise Katsabanis, Lorna McKenzie, Diane, Becky O, Reminder, Deborah Johnson, and Pax Max. Thank you so much for watching. So until next time, Bodie and I, we hope we will see you on the next episode of Bodie's World. Everyone, stay safe and take care.